Hey, what's going on? Today, another video for a quick update of last month's sales of a Walmart store um, in May, what we have generated on this store. So let's see. Let's go to the analytics and let's see May sales compare. And we have generated over $46,000 in last month, which is awesome. Our client is very happy. This is all from drop shipping, and the profit margins are very good. So let me also show you the performance report. um, um, Most of the dropshipper mess up the performance report. So the on-time delivery rate is 92.2%, which should be above 95%. So it's a little bit low. We will, fix this, very soon. And the other metrics is like cancellation rate is 1.4%, which is fine. Standard is below 2%. Value tracking rate is 99.4%, should be above 99%. Seller response rate is 97.8%, again above the threshold. Refunds last 30 days is 2.5%, should be below than 6%. Performance metrics are amazing. um, and by the way, we are running this store from 2022. um, and let me really quickly show you 2024 sales, so that you can have an idea of what we did in last year. So in 2024, from January to December. Yeah. So in last year, the sales were above $153,000. So if you are looking to start a Walmart dropshipping store, and generate a passive income, by that what I mean is that we will handle every operation on your store, on your central, and generate a passive income for you. Products, we'll manage the inventory, we'll manage the whole process and generate a passive income. So if you're interested in that, you can contact me.